Hi, welcome to the how-to video series of Projectrak for Jira, a place to learn how to track projects more effectively and make your information more dynamic. In this video, we will show you how to make workflows conditions interact with the values of your project information stored with Projectrak for Jira. Let's start from any given project. Click on the project settings in the bottom left icon, followed by clicking on the Workflows section. Once there, let's see how this workflow is currently set up. Let's click on it. Here we visualize the current way this workflow functions for this project's issues. Now, let's keep going and show you how to add a condition that makes the workflow react to specific project value information. Click on the Edit button. Then click over the Close Issue transaction. And then, in the dialog window on our right, over the Conditions option. This will lead us to add a new one. This action will take us to another screen. Click over the Add Condition option in the table showing the current conditions. This action will show a list of all the conditions available for us in our Jira instance. If we keep scrolling, we can see two conditions corresponding to Projectrak. 1. A Projectrak script condition will allow us to insert a file with a script or write the script directly in the corresponding field. 2. And a Projectrak value condition, which is the option we are going to use. We select it, followed by clicking the Add button below. This will take us to a configuration screen where we're going to define which parameters will rule this condition, which in this case are to select which project field we want to condition. It's going to be the status field. The operator corresponding to equal. And as the last option, we get to select a value for this status, which for this example will be on track. Then we add this configuration. What does this configuration we just made mean? It means we are conditioning this workflow to close an issue only when it is on a status equal to an on-track value. After editing this workflow, which by the way has other native Jira options already set up, we click over the Publish button at the top. Right after, we are asked if we want to save a backup copy. We choose No because we are very sure of what we're doing. Then we actually proceed to publish it. Now let's get back to the previous window where we had the workflow to ensure this change was effective. We click over the Project Data tab option available in the left menu. And right there, we already see the on-track status value available. Let's change it to the off-track status value by clicking over the drop-down menu. If we click in the Issues section available on the left, it's possible to see there's no availability to close the issue. If we go back to the Project Data tab and change the value to On Track and click forward again to the issue on the project, we get to see now we have the availability to close the issue. Projectrak represents a solution that will make your issues and project information interact with each other to make your Jira project information tracking experience more dynamic. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check our YouTube channel for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and follow us on our social media channels.